Welcome to Nail Wonderland. Today, we're diving deep into the world of nail polish, comparing gel nail polish and regular nail polish to help you decide which is best for your needs. We'll cover everything from application to durability, cost, maintenance, and health considerations. Gel nail polish overview. Gel nail polish is renowned for its long-lasting wear and durability. It's a favorite among those who want their manicures to last without chipping or fading. To apply gel polish, you'll need a UV or LED lamp to cure the polish. Each layer must be cured under the lamp, which bonds the polish to your nail, resulting in a strong, glossy finish that can last up to 2 weeks or even longer. However, this durability comes with a more complex removal process. Gel polish needs to be soaked off with acetone and carefully removed to avoid damaging your natural nails. Regular nail polish overview. Regular nail polish, on the other hand, is a staple in many people's nail care routines. It's loved for its simplicity and ease of use. You can apply it quickly and remove it just as easily with regular nail polish remover. It comes in an endless variety of colors and finishes, from matte to glittery, giving you the freedom to change your look as often as you like. However, regular nail polish tends to chip within a few days, especially if you're frequently using your hands. Application comparison. When it comes to application, gel polish involves several steps. After applying a base coat, each layer of color is applied and cured under a UV or LED lamp, followed by a top coat, which is also cured. This process ensures that each layer is fully hardened and less prone to chipping. Regular nail polish application is more straightforward. You apply a base coat, followed by 2 or more coats of color, and finish with a top coat. It dries naturally, which can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the polish and environmental conditions. Durability and longevity. One of the biggest advantages of gel polish is its durability. A well-applied gel manicure can last up to 2 weeks or more without chipping, making it ideal for vacations, special occasions, or simply if you don't want to worry about your nails for a while. Regular nail polish, while easier to apply, typically lasts only a few days before it starts to chip, especially if you're doing activities that put stress on your nails, like typing or washing dishes. Cost and maintenance. In terms of cost, gel polish tends to be more expensive. You'll need to invest in a UV or LED lamp and special gel polish, which can be pricier than regular polish. Additionally, the removal process often requires acetone wraps or soaking, which can add to the cost. Regular polish is generally more affordable and doesn't require any special tools for application or removal. Maintenance for gel polish is also more involved. If a nail chips or the polish starts to lift, you usually need to redo the entire nail or even the whole manicure. With regular polish, you can easily touch up any chips and continue with your day. Health considerations. Health considerations are an important aspect to think about. Gel polish requires exposure to UV light during the curing process, which can raise concerns about skin damage over time. It's recommended to use sunscreen on your hands or wear UV protective gloves while curing the polish. Additionally, improper removal of gel polish can damage the natural nail, leading to thinning or peeling. Regular nail polish doesn't require UV exposure and is generally less harsh on the nails. However, frequent use of nail polish remover, especially those with acetone, can dry out your nails and cuticles. Conclusion. In conclusion, both gel and regular nail polishes have their unique advantages and disadvantages. Gel polish is perfect for those who need a long-lasting, chip-free manicure and are willing to invest a bit more time and money into their nails. It's great for extended wear and less frequent touch-ups. Regular nail polish is ideal for those who enjoy changing their nail color frequently and prefer a simpler, more affordable option. It allows for flexibility and creativity without the commitment. Let us know in the comments which type you prefer and why. Have you tried both and which one works better for your lifestyle? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more nail care tips and comparisons. Thanks for watching Nail Wonderland.